Why people are dying? Because of the malnutrition. So when cell is multiplying, when replication is happening, at least it should be able to reproduce itself. To generate another cell. If this cell died, one cell died, so continuously 1500, so 1000 cells are dying per second. 1500,000 cells are dying per second. And these 1500,000 cells died, have to be regenerated. You need to have, for regeneration, to become again a cell, to become a peptide, ready to build building blocks, again to become a building, dead matter, this is dead protein. And from this dead protein, so no one can avoid. So this dead protein generation is a continuous process. And if you can convert this dead protein into a peptide, your body is designed to convert the dead protein into peptide. But a dead protein to convert into every day, as I told you, an adult generates 70 grams of dead protein every day. If you are not giving 70 grams of the protein, so you don't need to, you need to 70 grams of the protein, not for the growth. The 70 grams of the protein generated inside has to be converted into peptide. So it should become again 100% utilization means the 70 grams should become again a 70 grams equivalent of the peptide, then you will never age. And you don't need any extra protein. A horse, it doesn't, is it consuming non-vegetarian to build its mass, to build its bulk muscle or lean muscle? It has the ability to convert. Inflammatory response of the horse is so high, and so it converts its exercise into muscle. But how? So protein, plant is full of protein, and it converts the plant protein into, it's a muscle protein. So we also can convert. If not plant, because we don't have cellulase. That's why cellulose, but horse has enormous amount of cellulase enzyme. It can, we can't. But instead of plant, greens, which we can digest, other than cellulose matter in our food chain. But why are we eating spinach? You can convert that protein. Eating broccoli, eating all this, you can convert protein, and you can eating spirulina, you can convert. But why you are not able to convert? This for conversion, you need robust digestive enzyme health, number one. And hormone health. And then you have nutrition, the availability of the nutrients, micronutrients, macronutrients. If all the three are available, enzymes, hormones, first is enzymes, which have to digest the dead matter debris into, which cleans the cell, because this much dead debris is created means it has to be cleaned, otherwise it stinks. The stink is called a disease. When you say, I have a problem, I have pain here, I have a pain here, I have a pain here, I have this inflammatory disease, means you're stinking. You're stinking, do you know what do you mean by stinking? Stinking means you're not cleaning the stink generated inside, the dead protein generated inside, you're not cleaning. And in your house, dirt accumulated and you're not cleaning. And that protein is dying, you bring every day meat and just throw in your house. And throw in your house just the meat everywhere in your house, every day. You're not cleaning it. Every day you are bringing, and you are dumping this meat in your house. And how does, a dead, a pet died, or so on the street, a dog died. Within 2 days, you will see stink comes out. Oh my God, is there any bird dead in the park when you walk and some stink is coming? Oh my God, and some stink is coming. Is there any bird dead? You are worried, oh my God, you go like this. But when you say, we have a disease inside, do you know? Can't you sense the stink inside? And if we run to the doctor will clean. Whose responsibility is to clean? It is your responsibility is to clean. Body is alarming. Inflammation means, you see, it is telling you, I am stinking inside. Happily we swallow the pills. What a pity it is. Where is our human attitude? Where is scientific living, you tell me? Do we understand? What is the inflammation? What is the pain? That's what Buddha said. Do you know how much suffering is there inside? These many cells are dying first. Understand, there is a dukkha. These many cells are dying all the time. You are dying all the time. You don't even care about yourself, and you are thinking, you are posing as if you care the world outside. Damn, we don't even care inside. Such a careless attitude inside. A person who doesn't even care inside, how come he will care outside? A person who is stinking inside, and how come? And he will something emanate good things outside. Shamefulness. Each one of us, we do the same, Is there anyone in the world who doesn't have a pain? That's why I said, I don't have any pain. I never went to the doctor, because I never gave my chance to my cells to suffer. The first thing you should ask is that I am so careful about my cells. Any small, a cell is dying, I just sense immediate, oh my God, what's happening, oh my dear cell? What's your problem? That only led me to invent something. Because I was doing intense yoga and I could see my cells are dying inside. Oh my God, I'm stinking, I'm becoming like this. My stomach went completely inside. I'm like an African child. I'm about to become completely like a skeleton and completely cheeks inside. My students have seen me like that. Then I realized what damage I'm doing inside. Because I have such a high awareness. So then I used to bring carts and loads of, whenever I go abroad, all the pills. My suitcase is full of these pills, nutrients. And the people in abroad, why Kumar is carrying so many pills and boxes of the pills? I thought because I could sense, my cells need that. But when I have given them, they did not help. So I have to care my own cells. Then I have to invent what my cells need. And you can see now my body, it is not stinking. You can see my body with the muscle and with the lean muscle. Now you can take the biopsy of my muscle. You can see the oxygen. You can see the texture of the skin. Everything you can see. Because I realized I am suiciding myself. Suiciding means it is not suiciding, killing. I am killing my own cells. How heinous crime it is. And malnutrition means the cells are dying. My enzyme health, my hormone health, the nutrients are not there. How come? The 70 grams will be converted into 70 grams peptide, number one. Simply I tell you, before you plan anything, first important thing is your digestion. Now, all the Nobel Prizes went only for this discovery of enzymes. All this so-called intermittent fasting, that fasting, this fasting is for what? Just to restore enzymes, intracellular enzymes. The most important is supplement enzymes first. To remove the debris, because debris is accumulated so much. First thing when you enter into a house stinking is cleaning the house. First important thing what we have to do is cleaning the house. Cleaning the house means detoxification. Intracellular detoxification. Extracellular detoxification is nothing but restoring enzyme health. Again, in the name of detoxification, people are killing in the naturopathy. Because the detoxification or cleaning the enzyme health, supporting the enzymes and requires detoxification means what is a detoxification? And it is a nutrition intensive process. Cleaning is a nutrition intensive process. Cleaning the virus of your hands means intensive process. You have to apply isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol combination. 60% has to be ethyl alcohol, and so at least so 25% has to be methyl alcohol, and then you have to supply glycerine, vitamin E, everything, and then you can decontaminate, detox your hands. Inside, so the liver has to be detoxified means you need 100 nutrients. Without these 100 nutrients, there is no detoxification. When a naturopath is doing his detoxification, cleaning his liver, he should understand. If he doesn't have these 100 nutrients, body is becoming ketosis. The danger of the fasting and the body become doctors of the ketosis. When you fast and ketones are produced, and those ketones are causing inflammation, and this ketosis, people suffer excess acidosis, it generates, and ketosis, this ketosis will die and people get cancer. Ketosis is entirely different from ketogenic. Every inflammatory disease one way or the other called ketosis. Fasting should not result into ketosis. Fasting should result into ketogenic. Huge difference between a ketosis and ketogenic. Unscientific practices of this, fasting continuously, etc., and making the body. Already inflammation is there. Now you are adding another additional inflammation. That's why people get cancer. I had all the vegetable juices, I had all the healthy practices, I used to eat raw juice and this juice. I never ate any junk in the market. I never ate ice cream in the market. I never drank coffee, and I practiced all raw juices only. I eat only vegetables. I ate only fruits. I ate. I never cooked my food. I never added salt. You will see this kind of all the rubbish. And what danger you have done? You have deprived even the macronutrients you fed. Actually, you have triggered a detoxification process by this diet. And lot of intermediates are produced, lot of toxins are produced. And all those toxins have to be converted into, have to be processed to be thrown out. And that happens only when you have the thousands of the nutrients are required, called step 1 detoxification, step 2 nutrition for functionalization, and nutrition for functionalization, nutrition for conjugation, a 2-level nutrition you have to supplement. The supplement is required for functionalization. Chemistry, biochemistry, functionalization is different. Functionalization means converting that toxin into a useful, a convertible form to produce an intermediate is called oxidation, reduction, chlorination, sulfonation, phosphorylation. Infinite number of things. This is called first functionalization, is very, very important. The detoxification start, for functionalization you need entirely powerful antioxidants, powerful supply of oxygen, superoxidase dismutase. You need so many electron-rich and reducing agents, oxidizing agents and chlorinating agents, and to trigger the functionalization you need like CoQ10, you need glutathione, you need so many, B complex, you need vitamin C, so many things you require. And next step, now, once this process is done, once oxidized, once reduced, once chlorinated, the products produced are much more dangerous. The toxin in you now undergoes the functionalization, produces much more dangerous compound. A oxidized product, a reduced product, and a chlorinated product, a hydrogenated product generated. Outside you say, oh my God, hydrogenated oil, I will not eat. But so functionalization is nothing but, and these intermediates are much more dangerous, very toxic. So, and that's called conjugation. Processing these intermediates into metabolites, so excretable metabolites is called conjugation. Conjugation is a process, again a nutrient intensive process. This is also nutrient intensive process, and the nutrients required here are entirely different, and you need to supplement all those nutrients at the conjugation level. And then all the toxic intermediate compounds will be converted into dischargeable products. This is how our mess inside constantly has to be cleaned, because there is no day you are not dumping chemicals inside. Your ketchup too, your sauce too, your butter too, your cheese too, our cheese too, our idli too, our dosa too, our bread too, our egg too, our chicken too, our meat too, our vegetables too. Everything is coming with chemicals, toxins, called xenobiotic chemicals. And all these chemicals, all the time your body has to do. Forget what is produced inside, and again every day you are adding inside. What is the most important thing? The two Nobel Prize events, there is no functionalization, there is no conjugation. And when you look inside, these enzymes are not there. Enzymes are not there because debris is so much accumulated inside. And this is 70 grams sting is becoming a stinking material. You are growing the muscle, but when the dead muscle you are not able to convert. Pain, as soon as you cross 40 years, 50 years, muscle is hanging. Dead matter is hanging, body is stinking. So disease. So this has to be converted into a peptides. I am just explaining it to you. Your body has the capacity, but are you providing these things? Why am I talking this? Crush. We have all unnecessary crushes, girlfriend crush, boyfriend crush, damn crush. That is again killing you. That's why it's called a crush. It's rightly used. This is another crush. We want to get killed. I had a crush. I thought, what crush? Is it like in my general coach, I am cornered? Is it, are you crushed? No, Mr. Kumar, you don't know crush. I do not know. Crush means, it is not sugarcane getting crushed. It is not sugarcane getting crushed. It is not like you got crushed in the coach, and this crush is all about my boyfriend, having problem with having boyfriend, and falling in love with the boyfriend. Spontaneous realizations one side, spontaneous love affairs are one side. The spontaneous love affairs side. I wondered when I came into this world, outside from Himalayas, from the ashrams when I come, in my school, my children, my friends, because in my friends, always know untouchable I am, because for all the reasons I never allow them to talk. I never talk about the girls. I never know about the girl, because I have only brother, I have only mother, and I never knew whether the girl will have hair in here, and even in the college I didn't know until I got married. I'm telling you. Because that is so I never spoke to a girl in the school, because in the ashram, so celibacy, free testosterone, concentration, so that's why any girl you see, she is like a mother, she is like a sister, Any girl you see, and first time I spoke to a girl in my graduation, the final year, when I have to go for, taking my hall ticket, hall ticket. And this girl also came, but she has a sad face. She's only the girl in my graduation program, in my class. Naturally, you can see the crush of all the students on this girl. Poor thing, she must have got so much crushed, and so she must have. But all these guys, no one helped her. I could see the sad face. Why? I couldn't see any suffering. I saw. Is there any problem? First time I spoke to her. All 2 years passed, 3 years passed, I never bothered to spoke to her. But it's a final year examination, and she came to collect the hall ticket, and she's crying, in fact. I asked, why are you crying? You belong to my class, isn't it? Why are you crying? No, sir, I'm not prepared. I do not know, this mathematics is going to kill me. I do not know this mathematics and the numerical analysis on this subject. I have no idea at all. And I do not know the chemistry at all. I only know these guys' chemistry they talk about, but I do not know any chemistry. And if I do not know the chemistry, I can't pass with the graduation. If I do not know I have no idea of the physics, except the physical parameters. I have no idea about mathematics, except the number of guys in the classroom. Of course, this girl is good, and I don't. So don't literally take that. There's a comedy in everything Kumar says. But the thing is, so she told, oh sir, no crush helped me, sir. No crush helped me, sir. Everyone wanted perhaps chew or perhaps kiss, but no crush helped me, and now I really in a position, I am crushed now. Don't worry. Which subject you want? Sir, exams are only 1 week, 15 days away, sir. Only 1 week away. Arey, don't worry. How much time it will take? I just sat with her. And that numerical analysis, whatever the doubt she had, I tell you, I explained. She told, oh my God, it is so simple, sir. In my class, people used to call me not as Kumar, sir, because any guy, anyone having doubt, and so they goes to the sir will crush them, teacher will, guru will crush them. That's why they used to come to me, sir, Even as my classmate, they said, Kumar sir, in my graduation, Kumar sir. I am called as a sir. So not because of sir in the West. Okay. Sir is a big thing, a knight or someone gives that as that's not that sir. That sir is Sir Kumar. It is not Sir Kumar, it is Kumar sir. You should know the difference. So people my own friends used to call me, Kumar sir, can you explain me this? Because when people need when your partner needs your help, or when you need help, when birthday is going to come, all the love comes. When married day is going to come, all the love in the world comes. So we become so good, So when the need comes, a friend will become, oh my God, Mr. Kumar, you are a God, you are a savior, oh sir, and you call sir or whatever you call. I know other times when I am not there, what they make fun of me. But at least now I respond when they call me as a sir, they know very well. That's why so they cry, tell them why you are crying, all this action not required. You can as well straight away ask. We don't like you, Mr. Kumar, but so I need this problem. You can tell. You don't have to tell we like you, we respect you, like my students, We respect you, we like you, and you please teach me this, As well you can ask. You don't have to act. Why you have to act like a student? If the present students are like that, even my classmates are like that. I told, you are my friends, you are my classmates. You can as well tell me that I know the fact that you don't like me. You can tell as well we don't like. And I need this help, I will help you. This girl, because girl means I keep away. So this girl, I helped her. And she is so grateful. She is very, very grateful for that. I only thought, what I thought, what kind of person I am. I could not help this girl. I thought all these guys whom I helped, I thought, in their crush, they will help her. Because these guys all the time talk about only this girl. I thought definitely, in order to impress upon her, they teach her. They have not helped her. At last I have to help her. I think wherever she is, she would remember me. So I am telling you, so crush. So what is this crush and what is this crash? I am telling you, sugar cane is getting crushed. That crush I am telling, this crush also kills. This crush is to grow, but that crush really kills us. This boyfriend affair, this girlfriend crushes, and every day spontaneous crushes, instantaneous crushes. Insta crush product if I produce a nutrition. If you have this product, so immediately insta crush. Any girl will fall for you, any boy will fall for you if I say, I think this product will be sold at the highest in the world. What product will be sold? Insta crush. The same crush, if you can use Insta crush for your cell, it will at least nourish, it will at least make you alive, at least some sense. All the time we are like monkeys those days. We are like peacock, opening all our feathers, trying to attract the opposite sex. We have become human beings. We are no more a monkeys. We are no more a peacocks trying to show off, trying to fall, so to make someone to fall crush for you. All this spontaneous, the entire actual life where we are supposed to concentrate, the virility, where we are supposed to channelize our energies, all these energies gets crushed in these crushes. And people think it is, Mr. Kumar, my boyfriend not even looking at me. I had a crush, Mr. Kumar, but and he doesn't respond, this girl doesn't respond, this boy doesn't. You don't respond to the cells inside, and you're talking about other person responding. You're not responding to the cells inside, dying. And, you are all the time complaining they are not responding. So, what happens is, these cells dying, replication, these adult cells. These young cells generated whenever there is inflammation, adult cells released, daughter cells are generated. The young cells are generated. These cells multiply like COVID virus. These cells multiply called proliferation. Malnutrition, the children in Africa died because there is no nutrition now. And these daughter cells are dying. Adult cells have gone back into the cell membrane, the daughter cells, because of the malnutrition inside you, they are dying. And we shed the tears, in African children, Indian children, oh my God. But in your own body, and you are killing the young, newly born, so proliferated cells, you understand. In your own body, when you say inflammation means what? It is not just simply releasing of cyclic oxygenase compounds. It is also death of the cells inside.